John, say hello.
Hello.
John, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. David, say hello. John, say funny shit.
Why am I moving backwards? I don't know. Wait, who am I? Why do I keep getting pills?
What? You suck, Nathan. How did I get it?
Quiet.
No! Yes! Fuck you!
Oh, God damn it, Matthew, I swear! Stop touching my head.
I really hope so.
House, and we'll film it, and then we'll do the same thing next year.
It is a feast for men! John, how's your supper? We were playing a board game. The loser of this board game has to partake in Russian roulette with a Nerf gun. We live life on the edge.
It's a busy business centre. Chewing gum is banned here. It has a hotel called Raffles. It has a cocktail named after it called the Sling. Where am I? Starting with S.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my fucking god!
Matt has to know facts about John. John has to know facts about Matt.
Yes.
What month was John born in?
August. No.
What month was Matt born in?
Miles and Bonnie hatched. God damn it, man. God damn it. Stop!